An attorney representing Diddy Combs in the ongoing sex trafficking case recently announced his decision to step down from the case. Anthony Rico, who had been representing Combs since September, issued a statement explaining that, while he had provided the expected high level of legal representation, he could no longer effectively serve as Combs's counsel. Rico did not offer a specific reason for his departure, but assured that it would not affect Combs's upcoming federal trial, which is scheduled for May 5. Despite this, Combs still has 5 other attorneys on his legal team, yet the timing of this development has raised numerous questions. The decision for an attorney to withdraw from a case is not one to be taken lightly, particularly in high-profile cases like this one. The timing of Rico's departure is especially concerning, as it happens just 2 months before a major trial. It has raised speculation and concern, given the potential impact on both the preparation for the trial and the public perception of Combs's defense team. In high-profile cases, the decision for an attorney to step away from representing a client often garners attention for a reason. When representing a well-known client like Combs, who faces serious charges including sex trafficking and racketeering, attorneys stand to gain significant professional benefits if their client is acquitted. A successful defense could boost an attorney's reputation, with media interviews and public praise likely following. Therefore, an attorney's decision to step down from such a case suggests that something may be amiss behind the scenes, whether within the attorney-client relationship or the case's strategy. There are many reasons why an attorney might withdraw from a case. One possibility is disagreements about the strategy or direction of the defense. If an attorney feels that their client is not following their legal advice or if they believe the defense strategy is flawed, they may choose to step away from the case. Another potential reason is a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship. If the attorney believes that their client is being dishonest or withholding critical information, continuing to represent them could become difficult or untenable. In some cases, an attorney might also choose to withdraw if they believe the client is likely to lose the case. In these instances, the attorney might worry about the professional consequences of losing a high-profile case, which could negatively affect their reputation. Rico's withdrawal is especially concerning due to the timing, over 2 months before the trial. This raises questions about how the departure of such a key member of the defense team will affect the preparation for the trial. While Combs still has 5 other attorneys, the optics of the situation are problematic. The timing of the attorney's departure could make it appear as though something is wrong with Combs's defense strategy or his relationship with his legal team. High-profile cases are always subject to public scrutiny, and the news of an attorney leaving could filter out to the public and even affect potential jurors. This situation creates the risk of preconceived notions about the case, potentially affecting the fairness of jury selection. Moreover, the media attention surrounding Combs, especially following the viral video of him allegedly beating his ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, means that public knowledge of the case is already widespread. The additional complication of an attorney leaving the case so close to the trial date could deepen biases among potential jurors. Jurors in high-profile cases are often exposed to media coverage about the case, making it difficult to find individuals who haven't formed opinions based on the public narrative. This creates another layer of complexity in what is already a high-stakes legal battle. Despite the concerns raised by Rico's departure, it's essential to remember that speculation surrounding this situation should be treated cautiously. At this point, Combs's legal team is still intact, and the trial is still several months away. It's important not to make definitive judgments about the case's outcome or to assume guilt or innocence based on the withdrawal of one attorney. Legal analysts and reporters have emphasized the importance of providing balanced perspectives to avoid drawing premature conclusions. However, it cannot be denied that an attorney withdrawing from a high-profile case, particularly so close to the trial date, casts a shadow over the situation. The optics of such a move are undeniably problematic, especially when it raises questions about the state of the attorney-client relationship or the defense strategy. While Combs's legal team may still be strong and capable of handling the upcoming trial, the news of an attorney stepping down only adds another layer of uncertainty and complexity to an already complicated and high-profile legal battle. The upcoming months will likely be filled with continued scrutiny, and the impact of this development on the trial's proceedings will be closely watched.